So now we're ready to start our bra construction. So we're going to start with the power bars first. So let me clear the table and show you the power bars. So the first thing we want to do with the power bars is we've got to finish that top edge of the power bar. So it's a 1/4 inch seam allowance that was given. So all we have to do is turn down that 1/4 inch to the wrong side and top stitch it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip to the wrong side. I'm just going to mark out the 1/4 inch using my marker. I'm going to fold it to the wrong side and I'm going to top stitch it from the right side. So these are the power bars with the top edge finished, turned down and top stitched. The next thing we're going to do with the power bar is to finish off the free edge of the power bar. Okay, this free edge is finished using the fold over elastic. There is a glossy side and a matte side to the elastic, so I'm going to keep the glossy side on the outside. Okay, you can see it can fold into half very easily because there's already a crease in the middle of the elastic. So I'm going to choose to do this side first. So this is the right side of the power bar. I'm going to line up the raw edge to the middle crease of my elastic and attach them using a zigzag stitch. Okay, I'll line up the raw edge as I go. Okay. Once I'm done, do not snip off the elastic. Okay. The fold over elastic that's used to finish this raw edge of the power bar will continue up for about 10 inches and it forms part of your strap elastic. So once you've applied the fold over elastic to this edge, leave about 10 inches long. Let's go to the machine and see how we do this. So I've selected my zigzag stitch. I'm going to place the raw edge of my power bar along the middle crease of my elastic and I'm going to sew. So that's how it looks like, the first pass of the zigzag. Okay, so this is from the right side, it looks like that. Now please do not cut the elastic. We kind of have to leave a tail of about 10 inches long. So I'm going to go ahead and measure that. Next we're going to turn down the elastic and do a second pass of zigzag to secure the edge. Okay. So if you have clear elastic, you can apply it to the tail so that it will be stable and not stretch. Okay. So you can just keep the clear elastic and wrap the fold over elastic over it. And when you do the second pass of zigzag all the way to the end, the clear elastic will be secured inside. how it looks when the free edge of the power bar has been finished with the fold over elastic and you leave a 10-inch tail in the end. So now I'm ready to finish that free edge for the other power bar. So for the other power bar, I'm going to be applying the elastic from the top edge. In that case, I kind of need to measure out the 10-inch tail first. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start sewing from this end. So that's the 10-inch tail that I'll end up with when I'm done. So I'm going to go to the machine and do the first pass of zigzag stitch. So that's the first pass on the second power bar. I'm going to snip off this tail, I don't need that. So now I'm going to fold over the elastic and do the second pass of zigzag stitch. So I will also remember to put in the clear elastic in the 10-inch tail to give it stability. So now the two power bars have its free edge finished with fold over elastic, and it has a 10-inch tail that will form part of the strap elastic later on.